Hello everyone. As you can see, this Tiger 100 has been partially stripped. Eventually would like to do a complete rebuild on it. It's almost all intact. Everything is here. A couple of things I do need to get, which I'll reveal in forthcoming videos. But this is the main frame. Everything seems to be okay. I'm going to completely strip it. We have to redo everything. As you can see in the wheels, quite rusted up. The spokes redone. Forks need a complete rebuild. Obviously new wiring. Headlight is incorrect. Clocks are incorrect. As you can see, I've started stripping the paint from most of the body parts. Tank needs a bit of repair. A few dents here and there. Hello Penny. You've been rolling in the grass, yes? Hello. Yes, hello. As you can see, there's a dent on the side of the tank over here. Tank has been redone by Colin Aitken, completely relined. It's completely rust free. Everything will be okay there. On the side cover there's a very thin crack on the side cover here that you can see I'm bending with my hands. That'll be repaired. The little mounting bracket needs to be rebrazed onto the side over here. So this is SCH 40820 with a matching engine number. This particular motorcycle would have been brought into South Africa in mid-66 and would have been built in around July 1965. From the research that I've done, a little over 350 of these motorcycles were brought into the country, so it's a very rare motorcycle. Hello Maya. But I'm not going to be rebuilding this bike into a military look and feel. This is what I want it to look like. Based loosely on a Bonneville color scheme. I really like the look of this particular bike. We'll do a few things here and there, a bit different. But that will be the gist of it, of what it will look like. This bike is in pretty good condition, considering it hasn't been ridden a lot over the years. It's done very little mileage, but I only know its history from about 1979 to today. You can have a look at the oil tank on the paint stripping. You can see here. Let's just put it down. You see I've been stripping all the paint off it. It's still in very good condition. This collector over here needs to be rebrazed and fixed up over there. You can actually see the army green underneath the other layers of paint that this bike has been through over its time. I'm not sure of its paint history.